What's up, guys? Okay, y'all. I feel this is more an impromptu, is that the word? Video of a Goodwill haul. Now, I was like, you know what? I don't really think y'all be watching my hauls like that, but I love sharing what I find so it can motivate you guys to get out there to thrift and to look for the treasures that are lost, guys. Find the treasures. Now, I know some people are like, well, when I go to my Goodwills, I don't ever find anything. But how often do you go to your Goodwill? Is the question. Okay? It ain't no one-time thing. It's a multiple time thing, different times of the day, different days of the week, different Goodwills, different thrift stores, and all kind of different things. You're not going to find everything in one place in one day. No, you're not. So I just encourage y'all, get out there, look for certain items. Now, some people may like, that's not my thing. Hey, I understand it. I was that person. Y'all, I wish I was who I am today 100 years ago. Yeah, no, I'm not 100, but you get the point. Because I, number one, probably be a millionaire by now because I would not buy jack from any place but a Goodwill. Now, I will say this after I already said all the everything else. You're not going to find everything, so I understand if you need a couch and all this other good stuff in due time, but still, y'all, I always, from this point on in my life moving forward, I will not search anywhere else until I feel completed in a sense of first looking at a thrift store of some sort, real talk. Because I like to be unique. I like to find stuff at affordable prices, of course. And I just get that. That's where my high come from. It's like, oh, I paid $1 for this $1,000 worth item. That's my high. I'm not the person that brags about I paid $1,000 for this. Who does that? Not I, said if I. Even when I'm a billionaire, I'm still going to Goodwill. All the thrift stores, give them to me. If that's not your thing, thank you, because you're leaving all the blessings for your girl. So let me just show you a few items that I have found within the week or month or so, because I think they're so cute. Okay, first item, I just found this book, y'all. So I thought this was so freaking cute. You know how a lot of people have table books? I was like, this would be a cute table book because I am, maybe I don't know, but I love dolls. Not necessarily Barbie, but I, like the idea of making doll clothes, even though I don't know how to sew yet. But I thought this book was so awesome. And the illustrations, I'm here for it. And that's really why I picked it up. Because I'm like, oh, this ain't, now I didn't want to just like read about Barbie. I wanted to see, some items. I'm like, okay, this is what's up. So I thought this was nice find. Now it's a little like water damage on it because the page is kind of wavy. But baby, I don't give a monkey. It was only, what was it? Oh, the price down here. It was only $1.99, guys. $1.99. Okay, y'all. The next item I just found was this cute, big metal coffee sign. Now, y'all, I don't know if y'all know, but these signs are not cheap. Matter of fact, the original price is behind the sign, which is $59.99. But I only paid, let's see what we paid. Oh, God. $12.99 for this Jones. $12.99 for a metal size? This Jones has to at least be, I don't know. So let me see if I could set up the camera so y'all could really get the full effect of how big this sign is, okay? Oh, it's upside down. Oh, no, it's not. It just, I gotta flip it for you guys. It really was upside down now. See how big it is? Bam. $12.99. Who left this sign? Oh, you left it for Kenya? Appreciate it. Y'all, this is so freaking cute. And I already know what I'm gonna do with it. Well, I think I know what I'm gonna do with it. But I love it, y'all. And I'm gonna show y'all the price. Let me show y'all. Oops. $59.99. Okay. All right. So the other two items, which I think are going to be my last items, I wanted a baseball hat. I'm not even a hat person, but I think it would be cute. And of course, I wasn't trying to pay no baseball hat money. Okay. So I said, look, well, next time I'm in the thrift store, I'm going to look for one. So I found two. And I said, bet they're mine. So the first one is this one. I think it was only $4.99. And it says Mom's Life Leopard. Even in the bib. Y'all know I'm about that leopard life. If y'all don't know, now you know. And I thought it was so cute, guys. Oh, what it do? Yes, I'm a mom. What you talking about? Bam. By the way, these are not going to be the last two items. I just saw the last two items over there. But how cute is this? Now I'm going to have hat hair. Bam. It is what it is. Because what? I'm a mom. It is. Even though my child is 23, I'm still a mom. I still got to do stuff. Then I found, bam. What y'all know about them Astros, though? This was only $3.99, guys. And y'all know I'm from Houston. And this is an authentic hat. You know, it ain't no fakey shaky. It got the approval. And I'm like, who left this behind? Especially, you know, in the playoffs or something, y'all. I love them. I don't follow them like that, so I don't know. But I think they still doing what they supposed to be doing, okay? But how cute is it? It got a little wear and tear on it, but that makes it even more special to me. I thought it was so cute. And guess what? Look how cute it is on. Where that baseball game at? Bam. With the little ponytail. Be a really girly girl like, what? Ooh, I like sports. Ooh. No, I don't. But anyway, I just thought it was cute. And for $3.99, what you talking about? Y'all didn't think I was shocked. Like, really? I found something this tight, both hats? Y'all, this is so freaking cute. Y'all got stuff everywhere, so don't mind the mess. Just look at these cute lamps I found. They are a nice weight, y'all. These ain't no play lamps. These are the real dealio. And I was like, you know what? When I saw them, I'm like, these are cute. Now, I found these in two different Walmarts, two different Goodwills, two different days, whatever. See what I'm talking about? And this one was $5.99. Let me show you. $5.99 because I think it had more brass or whatever that metal is. But I love this, the style of it. So then I actually found this one first. And this one was only, what the price at? Was only $4.99. I think, like I said, because I don't think it got as much brass. This Jones is heavy. $4.99. It's I forgot what brand name lamp that is, but babe, it's worth way more than $4.99. And of course, I added the bulbs myself. Got a pair, both bulbs in a pack, 2-pack for $1 because at Dollar Tree, holla at your girl with the Dollar Tree. So how cute is this? And I think I'm gonna leave it as is. I don't want a shade. I want it to have like a candlestick effect, like it is. And I love it. So that's those two fine. $5.99, $4.99. And then when I bought this this lamp, I found these brass candlesticks. And I'm like, bet. Now, these are cute to me. They're heavy, of course. And they all three were sitting next to one another. And guess how much they were, y'all? 99 cents. 99 cents. Who finna let 99 cents go? So I said, okay, y'all coming home with me. So then that's how I came up, like, you know, with this collection. And I'm into brass. Really, I'm into all metals, like silver. And I don't mind mixing my metals up, y'all. So y'all can do what y'all want to do. But when y'all see how I style it, y'all might change your mind too. So this is not styling it yet, but I love, and I think, wait, let me get my thoughts together. I love the find, and I love the way they all different, but yet cohesively they go together. Don't know if that's the correct word to use, but I'm using it. So since I'm here, I know I've showed this typewriter before. I also found this typewriter is functional, the whole 9 yards, at a thrift store for only $5. You heard me, $5, guys. So I'm telling you, don't sleep on these thrift stores. $5, guys. Fully functional, and it's mine. So thought that was super duper cute. Alrighty, so I do believe this is going to be the last item. I said the other ones, but for sure, y'all, this is the last item I found currently. Radon Boo Mug. Come on, guys. I was like, what? Who leave behind this cute little mug? Now, I'm not no big Radon collector by any means, but when I think something is cute, I gotta holler at it. And I really think this mug is cute. And it was only $3.99. And I thought, like, alrighty, I'll pay that, you know. It ain't like too outlandish or whatever. And this is a good size mug. This ain't just your Rudy Patu mug. And so it's Halloween, guys. So I was like, let me get it. And you could decorate it or drink from it or whatever. But I thought it was super duper uber cute. So that's the last item. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If y'all like this video, go ahead and hook your girl up with a thumbs up. I hope this video was helpful. I hope it encouraged you to get out there at least once a month, y'all. I mean, come on, and see what y'all can find. I promise y'all, the treasures are out there. Get to thrifting, y'all. See y'all next video. Deuces.